What's up, my people? Lane Splitters Miguel here. We're out here at Sunday Funday. We've been hosting this now for a few months, and it's growing and growing every other weekend. So if you haven't seen us, if you haven't been down here, come check it out. It's great street racing, good people, family environment. Come check us out.
James,
How you doing?
dude, we're out here, Sunday Funday. Got the food, the beer, the bikes. We're gonna have a good day, have a fun day. We got some homemade tacos, some kind of pasta, some macaroni salad. Get down.
That be a call out to me, please. Ah, damn!
Just park it up. Got the cops right here right now. Sometimes they come and they say, hey man, just keep it cool. Make sure you run helmets every time. And that's about it. You know what I mean?
We're trying to spread the word today that we've been watching on drones. We know what's going on, drag racing. Today we're doing a warning.
Okay.
If this continues, we're probably going to come out here in a lot more force and start issuing citations, towing bikes for drag racing, okay?
All right.
Today's spreading the word. I wanted to get the word out. So, because I'm not out here, I don't want to tow your guys' bikes. I know you guys are out here having fun. We're getting enough calls from people that own the businesses and things like that.
All right.
So that's all I'm doing today. Just kind of to get the word about that that's what's going to happen if this continues.
All right.
All right?
We got it.
You guys have a good day.
Thank you.
Try to have a little good time, and you know, it happens. I guess some business owners were complaining about vehicles on their parking lot, so we'll see. Most of the people we let through, but hey, there's cameras everywhere now, so they said they had a couple drones out on us. You know what's going on. Today they're not going to give anyone any tickets, but we got to kill it. And if they see us coming out back to back like we have been for like 11 years or not, you know, I didn't say that out loud. It's all good. We'll find another spot. Stay tuned. Here we are. They kicked us out of the first spot. Cops, as you saw, came and shut us down, but we found a backup spot. We always got to have backup. One to rock, one to stop. So here we are, getting some more runs in. Stay tuned. 2nd. We'll see you guys next time.